In this video, we'll discuss the working one state RP promo codes in 2026. So as of January 31, here are the working codes. So you can head over and play the one state RP and redeem them. So to redeem these codes and claim your rewards, launch one state RP or roleplay live on your device. Navigate to the settings menu or look for the redeem code section. Enter the code exactly as it appears on the list above that I will show you. So here is the actual codes that you can use. So you can find it here for successful redemption, redeem codes, and you can stay connected with all of this. You can try putting right here this code. It has this code for the money options, and you can find it as well onto the money or the one state RP promo code itself. Just redeem it and you should be able to use it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.